We are here for our super short shorts.
Super short
list.
Short show.
Short show. Okay. So
I don't know.
for this, we are doing a quick list of what you need. If you think you're going to the beach this summer, you better get a pen and a paper right now.
Get it now.
Let's go. I'm serious. I'm not.
And we know about the beach because we go to the beach at least
every other week.
Every other week we are at the beach,
and that's not even enough.
So we know what we're talking about.
Let's get into it. If you're going to the beach, these are the essentials. Number one, check the weather. Okay, if you live in Florida and you think that you're just about to get up and go to the beach, you have another guess.
Check the weather.
Okay, check the weather.
And
Okay,
then
check it again before you leave the actual house, because when you get to the beach, you're going to be rained on like we were.
That happened
just
to us
this
the
past
other day.
Sunday,
Yeah,
actually.
we got dressed, everything, and
we
checked
knew
the weather.
We knew better. We knew it was gonna rain.
It said what, 50%?
50% chance, but I'm driving there looking like, okay, it's gonna go. Anyway, check the weather.
It was a fail.
Check the weather. So that's number one. Number two, you need to go to Ross, Five Below, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, wherever you fancy, and get yourself a cute beach bag.
Beach bags.
Yes.
I have a cute beach bag.
Where'd you get yours?
I got it for free.
Oh, is that the mermaid one?
Yes.
Okay.
It says, what does it say?
Mermaid off duty.
Mermaid off duty.
Yes.
So yes, I like my beach bag, but I see a lot of cute bags rolling around town. So yeah, invest in a cute, stylish, sturdy
beach bag. Yeah, I got mine from Five Below. Go check them out. $5, right? And it lasted me. The last one before that lasted me more than a year from Five and Below. So yeah,
cool. Number 3 on our list, sunscreen. Listen, we're not going to do like we used to do back in the day. We are wearing sunscreen now, ladies and gentlemen. We are wearing sunscreen. So
not because you're black, you will be burnt.
We will be burned.
You can get skin cancer. Protect yourself. Homeboy.
Protect yourself. So we have some suggestions for black-owned sunscreen, because that's the vibe. That's what we on. That's the energy. If y'all feel us, you know what I'm saying. So a couple, we have Black Girl Sunscreen.
Okay.
And you can purchase that one at blackgirlsunscreen.com. We also have Fenty Skin by Rihanna. She has a sunscreen. I actually do have it. I actually do have some of the Fenty Skin products.
Okay.
And the sunscreen is one of them.
Okay.
And you can also try 11 by Venus Williams. That's available at Ulta. Did you know that Venus had a sunscreen?
Has a sunscreen.
And it makes sense though, right? Like, she's out in the sun.
And she also has an autoimmune disorder that affects her skin too.
I didn't know that.
Okay, that makes sense now that I'm thinking about it. I did not know that she had a sunscreen.
So 11, and that's available at Ulta and online. So Black Girl Sunscreen, Fenty Skin has a sunscreen, and also 11 by Venus Williams.
But if you didn't get those yet, just run into your local wherever and grab you some if you're gonna go really soon. Okay, just anyone.
If you don't want
30 SPF and above, is what you need. Okay, 30 SPF. Okay.
But why would you not want to?
Of course they want. They're going to.
You're going to. So
all right. Yeah. What's number 4 on the list?
Bathing suit. Tunnel. Yes.
What we said, it's an island girl.
It's an island girl summer.
If you're going to be on the beach, get you a nice, cute bathing suit. Yes. Where do you get your bathing suits from?
So I have a few that I have from Amazon.
Okay.
But you know what? I'm really into the bathing suits from Shein. Shine. Am I pronouncing it right?
I think it's like Shein.
Shein.
That's how I read it every time I saw it. Like,
listen, have you guys seen the prices on these Shein bathing suits? Like, I've gotten a couple of them. You know what I'm saying?
I haven't gotten any.
I'm trying to switch it up. Like, I come to the beach this Sunday, you're gonna see me like and then I come, you're gonna see me like and then I come and you're gonna see me like
And listen, it doesn't matter if you didn't, if your summer body did not arrive in time.
Yeah.
It's, it's too late, and the beach is gonna get whatever body you
bring to the table.
That's it.
Give
That's the
beach
summer
the
body.
Okay?
That's the summer body.
Right?
It's summer, and this is the body. This is the summer body that it's getting.
This is what it's
so you
getting.
put yourself in any bathing suit that you want to.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? I'm thinking about trying out like a thong bathing suit soon. You know what I'm saying?
What?
I'm thinking about it. I'm building up the confidence. Be like, okay. One day when we get there and you see me take off my cover up, you're going to be like, whoa, cheeks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
hey,
be ready.
All right.
So, also, where else? Target, Forever 21,
Marshalls.
Get you some bathing suits.
Everywhere sells bathing suits.
And if you don't have one, put some shorts on, put a cute top on. I don't really even go in the water all the time, okay? So you just need to get there, sit down, and, have a good time. All right? What's next on the list?
Refreshments.
Okay.
Don't go to the beach hungry. It's not a good look. It's not a good vibe.
Mm-hmm.
You don't want to be out in the sun, miserable because you're hungry.
Get some snacks.
Pick up
some chips. Okay. Make sure you think about it. Beach friendly. The sand is there. Okay. You don't want to have too many things, to be getting dirty. Get something. Keep it simple. Get some drinks, okay? We get some, what do we get? White Claw.
Normally we get like White Claw.
Keep it, low carb if you want, sugar-free.
Some Tito's.
Right, some Hendrix gin.
Okay.
Anything you like. Anything you like. Put
and
it in
water.
A bottle. Be careful, okay, on the beach.
And I use this cup sometimes because it keeps my drinks cool for a long, long time.
Okay.
So get you a nice cup too, so that will keep things cool.
Most places, glass bottles and alcoholic bottles are not allowed on the beach. So pour your things up, mix your drinks before you go, and you go there with your plastic, your cooler, bottle, your whatever. Bring a cooler with some ice, whatever you like.
Refreshments.
All right.
Yeah.
Next thing you want to have is your equipment. Now, this one I'm very serious about. I'm still working on this, okay? You need an umbrella, okay? So we're going to have the sunscreen on, but you need the umbrella. You need the right umbrella. Do not go to Walmart and buy the cheap $15 umbrella. The wind is going to demolish it.
Tear it up.
I'm thinking about investing in a $75 umbrella, okay? But I'm still just... $75, right? It sounds crazy. But when I go to the beach and I see people with this specific $75 umbrella, it is not moving.
Yeah, we're not going to talk about this umbrella till we get the sponsored.
Yeah.
So we're going to be like
this umbrella does not move. It doesn't move. The wind just... and it doesn't even move. And then our umbrellas are just like...
and we're running down the beach chasing these umbrellas down. Like, I didn't come out here to chase an umbrella.
Cute. I'm not chasing an umbrella. Get a proper umbrella. Do your research. Get on YouTube. Look up, which umbrellas are the best ones for you. You can even get a tent, a little pop-up tent.
Yeah.
Which if you're, going with a bigger group, whatever you need to do. You need a beach mat or a sheet or a blanket, your beach chairs. Or even those lawn chair ones that are in the little bag.
And that has a cup holder attached to it.
Just make sure you have something to sit on. All right.
And the last this one is important to me. I know the umbrella is important, but this one is important to me. Is entertainment, the music, the vibes, like the playlist, like the music. I hate when we go there and we're like, I'm waiting for someone to
We can't even sit down fast enough before Candy's like, okay, so where's the music? Where's the music? I'm like, Candy, we're still unpacking here. But yes, make sure you charge up your portable speakers.
Yes.
Okay, make sure you charge them up. Keep them charged in the week.
Keep them charged.
So that when you're going, you just...
I'm bringing another one just in case. Maybe we need to roll with two, but it's important. And even find some nice playlists, like I know
playlist,
iTunes have some really nice ones. Sometimes you may be the friend that creates.
Maybe Candy will share hers with you guys one day.
I have some.
She has a few that
Check
are really
out my
good.
Instagram page and look in my bio. You'll see that I have
look at
playlists
that.
I'm just saying, I'm ready for this.
And I've been thinking recently that I want to incorporate like a ball or a frisbee. Maybe we can, burn some calories, keep active while we're out there. The sun is shining. You know,
Maybe,
it's
yeah.
nice and cool
I'm
and
down
hot
for
at the same
Frisbee.
time. Yeah.
Or even card games. So you don't
Card
want to
games,
jump
yeah.
on and play Frisbee and ball. Like have some Uno, you
Yeah.
know, or some of those get to know your friends better kind of cards. Or
Yes.
if you're, a couple or whatever, like play one of those games, but, get
Yeah.
some entertainment.
Did we miss anything? What do you have as your summer essentials, right? Send us a DM, a email, whatever. We are on Instagram at These Two Girls, Twitter at These Two Girls Pod, and you can email us These Two Girls Podcast at gmail.com and let us know what you're doing with your list for the summer.
And don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? Thank you. See you again.
Bye.
Bye. These Two Girls Shorts. We're working on that.